What's going on, boys and girls? Welcome back to another video, another explore. Aren't you lucky? This is absolutely incredible. If you're feeling religious right now, amazing. If you're not, still amazing. Check out this church. Got to give credit to Kurt for this one. He said he's known about it for years, but it's just recently became, well, unsealed, you want to say. So here he is, the man. Just check this out. I'm giving you full pans on it. How's it with a torch? I don't even need a torch, to be fair. A little organ, piano even. Look at this. Still dings. Amazing. We got the font here, haven't we? That's where the holy water goes. Maybe here, I guess, on the lid there. Got the church pew. So detective service. Is that a pew? I don't know. Oh, the bench is called pews. I'm no church expert. Help me out. Stained glass windows in here, incredible. Aside from what's been vandalised. Oh, there's the big bad boy organ. Wow. Just look at that. It's just scary. I didn't realise. I can remember the only time we used to go to church really was weddings, funerals. I could always used to be amazed with the pipes going up to the roof. Well, the heat on there in a minute. That looks like a proper little hobbit though, doesn't it? That's amazing. Just look at that. And then we've got the people who've put a star pentagram in there. Literally in all over this place. Wow. As many of you know, I do like to talk a lot. I do ramble sometimes. This place has me speechless. Right, we should go first. Let's go do this way first. That wood. Craftsmanship has gone into that. Incredible. Behind the organ. Look at that door. That is a man's door. Wow. That's the Hobbit entrance. Floor's not the best in here, guys. Storage room, maybe. Hang your coats up for service. Look at this. Wow. Bathroom. Quite a big toilet, actually. Wow. This place is awesome. Right, so we'll go back through. I'll go check out the back. See, still got the benching areas. Hopefully some numbers still on them. This place is so photogenic, I can't wait to take some photographs. 57, 58. Ladders everywhere. Wow. My tripod. Bigger communal seating area. Would that be a family one? I don't know. Because you know we are close to main road, that's the traffic. Oh, look at that. Weber, London. Sadly, she ain't dinging. Wow. Floor. Let's take you upstairs. I don't know what the floors are going to be like. You're seeing it as I'm seeing it. Look at that. Wow. Let's lean into the one side, so that's probably not a very good start. Wow. Simply wow. So it's that. Not very. Main road. Look at this place, guys. Wow. So there we go. That's the church explore. Done. Hope you've enjoyed it. Hit like, drop a comment. I know I haven't replied to a lot of comments recently. I've just been crazy busy with stuff, so I promise to start picking that up. And yeah, see you soon, guys. Take it easy.